Hey guys, so in this tutorial we're going to learn how to play a song by The Weeknd called Rolling Stone. Now in my tutorial for Wicked Games, I told you guys that I was quite new to The Weeknd and was looking for some songs to listen to, and lots of you came up with suggestions, so thank you very much for that. And a YouTube user called I Love Neon Zebras told me to listen to a song called Rolling Stone, and I listened to it today and really liked it, which is why I'm making the tutorial for this today. So I'm going to be teaching you how to play the main part in the song, which you heard me play at the start of the video, and that's the part that the guitar plays in the song. And then at the end I'm also going to teach you how to play the chords if you want to know how to play them. So we're going to start with the left hand. The left hand is only going to be playing 3 notes. Our first note is an E flat, which we're going to be playing 3 times. Next we play an A flat, also 3 times. And then we are going to play a B flat 6 times. So putting all of that together, I'll tap the main beats of the bar with my right hand. And that's all you need to know for the left hand. The right hand is going to play notes in groups of 3. So our first 3 notes are G flat, E flat, and B flat. We're going to play this pattern. I'll do that again. Our next 3 notes are E flat, B, and A flat. We're going to play exactly the same pattern. So we've gone from here to here. And our next 3 notes are F, D flat, and B flat. And we're going to play this pattern twice. So putting all of that together, so what I'm going to do now is put the left hand and the right hand together very slowly so that we can get a feel for the rhythm. And that's all you need to know for the main part. Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to play the chords. In the left hand, we're going to play exactly the same notes as before. First, we start with an E flat, and we're going to play that for 2 counts. Then an A flat for another 2 counts. And then finally, B flat for 4 counts. In the right hand, we're also going to be playing the same notes, but instead of playing the pattern, we're just going to play them together at the same time. So our first group of notes was B flat, E flat, and G flat. And this is going to give us an E flat minor chord. And as I said, we play this for 2 counts. Our next chord is A flat, B, and E flat. That's A flat minor. And again, for 2 counts. So we've gone from here to here. And then our final chord is B flat, D flat, and F. And we play this for 4 counts. So putting all of that together, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you play the chords. So thanks very much for watching. I really hope you found this tutorial useful, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more piano tutorials. Bye!